Hello friends, welcome to It's Sharp Minds. Today we are going to learn grade 7 English Literature chapter 5 Eidgah. This is part 4. So we had to read from here. Suddenly the people who were walking through the village through the villagers who were walking through the town and walking through the law court, college, the club, and they suddenly spot the Eidgah. It is shaded by tamarind trees. Tamarind trees are types of trees, and it is cemented floor and covered with sheets. There are rows upon rows of worshippers stretching well beyond the courtyard of mosque. So suddenly they will spot the Eidgah, and it is hidden by it is shaded by tamarind trees, and its cemented floor is covered with sheets. Then there are many rows upon rows of the worshippers who are in the Eidgah for the prayer. Beyond the courtyard of mosque, the mosque is full. Along with the other newcomers, the people of Hamid's village take place in the back rows. After washing their hands and feet, wealth and status do not matter in here. In the eyes of Allah, all men are equal. So, with the other newcomers, means the ones who are coming with them, they from the people from Hamid's village take their place in back rows. They wash their hands and feet, and then they and wealth and status does not matter here. So the amount of money they have and what types of clothes they are wearing, it doesn't matter, because all people are equal with Allah. So Allah is the God here. What a beautiful sight it is. The simultaneous bowing of thousands of heads in prayer. The sight of the mosque is so nice that at a time all the thousands of men are bowing their head, and so many worship standing erect together when they then bowing heads together and sitting on their knees together. What an inspiring and heartwarming sight it is. So the prayer is done all together, and it looks so nice that at a time and together all Muslim men are bowing their heads together, standing and kneeling, sitting on their knees at a time. The namaz is over. So the prayer the people are doing is namaz. The namaz is over. The people meet and embrace each other. Then they head for the toy shops and sweet shops. So the prayer is over, and they meet and wish each other, and then they head for toy shops and sweet shops. The villagers are excited little children little children. Bye, and remember to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye. I'll learn from here in the next video.